Hello, good evening, all of you guys. I'm your favorite Akshat once again in front of you. So, welcome to your only favorite show, the Smart Lens India. And today I came to a very interesting place. That is the Safari Park of Gwalior. As you can see, there are some waste of best structures that made by some architectures. As you can see, there is a Jaguar of which is made by the recycled parts of some automobiles, and there is also a kangaroo and you can also see there is his or her baby that is outside her from them pocket, and you can also see the view of here is very nice, and it is the location situated behind the Gwalior Fort. As you can see the walls of the Gwalior Fort. So let's continue forward. So here is a structure of penguins. As you can see, there are two parents and one child. It is a very beautiful structure. All structures are made by the automobile recycling parts. As you can see, there is also a crocodile, but it is not looking like the of the Kalyug, because in the Kalyug the crocodiles are too much small, and anybody can guess the size of this. There is also a statue of turtle. With the every statue there is a notice to don't touch, but we will touch most of them as possible because they are some of the guards. As you can see, here is also a gateway. It is there is a dinosaur also. It is looking like very much, and you can also see there is also some benches to sit, and for the persons who wants to read, who wants to study, it is a very good place for them. As you can see, there is also a statue of the peacock, the national bird of our India. It is also a truly beautiful architect. It is a close-up look of that. As you can see, there are some fasteners, some strips of the iron or steel. So friends, as you can see, it is a very beautiful place to the persons who wants to study, as I said, and it is also a very good place to for the morning walk. As you can see, there is a lot of greenery behind me, and there is the one of the favorite most thing that I liked, as I want to see to all of you. It is a T-Rex, and anybody notice that? What is the eye made of it? It is made up of a headlight. It is looking like a headlight of a truck. What do you think about its leg? The front legs are too much small. So friends, we are continuing on our path. As you can see, the T-Rex is trying to eat me. There is also a gateway. These gateways are too much bigger. There is also a mammal of the ancient time. It is looking like a too giant. As you can see, it is a too much high, and it is also made up of a wasted material. Anybody can guess the height of this? As you can see, there is also the rims of the cars or vehicles that are used to make it. Here also some lights on the part that you can see. The look of the night of here was very fantastic. And I also suggest you to come here and I am also enjoying it very well. I find a hidden way that you should also see. It ends here, so I think I should return. So friends, what do you think about this? And there is also a ancient, it is not a ancient, it is modern, but the animal is ancient. So yes, I don't know what is the name of this, but it is looking like very much beautiful. As you can see, there are lots of gears and the machineries that are used to make it, and you can also see that there are some clutch and gears of the cars and the bikes, and it is also organized by the CM of the Madhya Pradesh. Here is the very much beautiful animal, my favorite panda. He is eating some bamboos. So what do you think about them? It is also made up of some bearings and some materials. It is too much cute as I am looking. There's also a bamboo to eaten that he can eat. And I noticed one thing around all of the animals, their favorite plants, and their that plants that signifies that animals are also planted near of them. So it is also, it is, what is this? It is looking like a chimpanzee or gorilla. It is orangutan, as you can see here. It is fully made up of the steel strips or iron that was also recycled. Here is a lot of greenery as I am seeing. What do you think about it? Here is the king of our Indian jungles. This is the lion, the king. I liked it one thing that its teeth are looking very too much sharp, and there is also a school was came for the tour. We always says that we should clean our city, our nation. So this person is doing that work. So can you think who is this? He is doing his work very well, but now he is very lazy. So he just stopped his working. Here is also an enemy, which is the most dangerous enemy at our home of our mother and sisters. This is that. It is the spider made up of also the gears, and I think it is an engine covers with also. So now I'm trying to find my friends where they are. Oh, I found all of them. So